higher, saying, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, chap, how you doing? Woke up today. I don't know. My mind just felt full, like mentally out. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. I just felt like I've been carrying a lot lately. I've been thinking about the next video, the next goal, what I should be doing, working on thumbnails and titles that will work, learning about the YouTube analytics stuff. I mean, learning every day. I just realized that I haven't really had a chance to just stop. Today, I just need a mental reset.